In this video I will show you how to download and install the Epson EcoTank L3256 printer driver on Windows. Follow these steps. Go to the Google Chrome. Enter Epson L3256 printer driver download in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official Epson website for that printer model. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu and click on the Download button next to the driver you want to download. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to launch the installation wizard. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation process. Connect your Epson EcoTank L3256 printer to your computer using a USB cable. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if prompted. Your Epson EcoTank L3256 printer should now be ready to use with Windows via USB connection.